New recipe for you to try. Here's the butter. Let it melt. All-purpose flour. Whisk it. Add the milk. Start stirring until it gets thick. The sauce will get thicker as it cools down. While the bechamel sauce is cooling down, let's do the cabbage. Let's wash cabbage first before I start slicing them. Wash and clean. I put them on top of each other so it's easy for me to remove the spine. I'm cutting cabbage into strips. Olive oil is in a pan already. Quite a bit of cabbage, but it will melt down. I'm not putting any liquid or water because cabbage has got lots of moisture. Salt and pepper. Let's transfer it to a dish because this needs to cool down as well. Ricotta cheese. Mix ricotta cheese with cabbage. These lasagna sheets are ready to use. There's no need for parboiling. Bechamel sauce at the bottom of the baking dish. Lasagna sheet, first layer. Here's the cabbage and ricotta cheese. Bechamel sauce. Parmesan cheese. Second layer of lasagna sheets. And repeat with cabbage, bechamel, and Parmesan cheese. Bechamel sauce at the top. Spread it all over. Parmesan cheese at the top. Cover it with aluminum foil. Let's put this in preheated oven, 200 degrees, and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Remove foil after 45 minutes and continue baking for another 10 minutes.